next thing we're going to do is calibrate a pressure sensor. In order to do that, we need to log in at the SE level, which in this case is done with a USB stick and a code. After I enter my code, which will likely be different for you, we can go ahead and calibrate a sensor. To do that, we navigate to System, Sensors, and in this case, we're on the pressure screen, as is indicated here. If we wanted to do positioning or temperatures and levels, we could do that from there. However, if we notice on the pressure sensors, we have this equals 0. These are set with the machine at idle, with the engine off. So the screen is on, engine off, and we can identify a pump, in this case pump 5, and click the equals 0 indicator. What that does is it tells the sensor what 0 looks like, and then it can take effect.